Okay, we're back in the back garden, and things are starting to look pretty good back here. Got things planted in the broccoli and cabbage and cauliflower and stuff, and so some of the stuff's looking really good. For a couple days, a few of these ones back here were pretty much in shock, so let's show that. They got a little burnt right from the sun, but they're going to recover. That's the thing. They laid on the ground for about 2 days, maybe even 2.5, 3 days, but they're perking back up and they're looking much better. Those leaves are just going to, end up dying off. So, or I could pinch them off. So we're doing good though, but that's what happens sometimes when they go into shock, especially when things are really hot outside. And so here's the magic bean, famous purple potted pole trellis, plus magic beans, because I didn't have to plant one of these beans because I just transplanted them right from the garden because they grew themselves. It's amazing how it works. So these guys are looking really good. Look at that. See, we're gonna get beans sooner than we normally do. So things are looking good. Here's the other side with some cabbage and stuff. So exciting.